So we're going to move on to the very first piece of the day, which is going to be one of our creative interludes, this one with the title Content Search and Discovery. And for this, we have Lukas Dirzys. He is co-founder and CTO of Creative AI, a company that provides unsupervised AI-powered content search and discovery. Lukas believes that current search and discovery systems are flawed, and he's on a mission to revolutionize the way people discover creative ideas, inspirations, and relevant content. This is set to be a great first talk of the day, so please join me in welcoming Lukas to the stage.
Hello. So as introduced, my name is Lukas, and I'm a co-founder and CTO of a company called Creative AI. And we have a mission to enable a more powerful content search and discovery. And today I'm just going to give you a bit of small introduction to why and how we do it. We are a deep tech company, and at its core we are building a multimodal content embedding system that is trained on a large and raw social media content. Our system learns complex relationships between the visual and semantical aspects of the content and provides a powerful way to compare content from different sources with a different media type and a completely different style. Currently, we can embed content that are pure image, pure text. It can be either a small one-word content or a full sentence, or a full post, as an example on the right. Okay, so that's a hard bit, and we can move to a fun bit now. So one of the creative challenges that we are aiming to solve using this technology is actually helping people to get inspired when creating content. That's something that our SME creative partners are continuously struggling with every single day. To help with inspirations, we need a source for it. And the good thing is that we believe these sources already exist. Instagram, for example, it's a perfect source of inspiration because of its size, as well as diverse and creative nature. Many more sources exist as well, but we picked Instagram as an example just because of it being a natural source for our partners. In order to make these inspirations relevant, we personalize them based on the user-defined set of content. It can be any set of content. For example, a social media feed, personal content board, or even someone else's public profile. So let's look at a simplified example to just put all of it together. First, we embed 60 million content pieces from more than 70,000 public Instagram profiles using our multimodal content embedding, and that's the blob in the middle. On the top right corner, you can see a subset of a small bakery's profile, and it has three posts that all have textual and image-based information. All three of these are embedded into the same feature space as the three different elements. And now imagine the bakery is looking for something green. The text-based query is also embedded into the same feature space, and then it is traversed to get the final set of results that you can see at the bottom of the slide. Note how the search respects all three of the query, as well as textual and image-based information from a profile. You can see that even though the profile doesn't depict any cupcakes in the images, those are mentioned in the captions that make the final set of results have green cupcakes in it as well. Similarly to text-based query, we can also perform sentence-based query, image-based query, or a multimodal content query, which is basically image and text. We also allow no query at all, which basically means we have a discovery page where people don't need to enter any search. So our technology already works, and it allows to find serendipitous results and provide inspiration. However, we are currently working on multiple improvements, such as removing bias from the training data that currently, as an example, causes a topic like love to favor dogs, or a topic dark to favor dark desserts. We're able to mitigate such bias using our personalized search. However, we would want to remove it from the core too, to better generalize the system. Similarly, some topics are appearing significantly less often in the training data than the other ones, and that makes it difficult to reliably learn them. We're also looking forward to start adding other modalities into our system, such as video content or speech. Finally, from a product point of view, we are planning to release our multimodal content embedding and querying as an API for a wider community to start using it in their research or products, and for us to better generalize it, as well as running pilots with creatives who are struggling with inspirations, or developers and organizations who are working with multimodal content, but are perhaps missing out on the opportunity to efficiently use both image and text for their research or product. So that is a short introduction to creative AI. Thank you.